Alright guys, so I got issue for two reasons. First, if you come back here, this amount is we have to multiply by 100, but we are not doing in this checkout activity, so this amount should multiply by 100. As you know, minimum is $0.50, so if you pass 19 it will take 0.919, I think, right? So we have to multiply by 100, then only it will become $19. Cool. This is the first issue. And the second issue here is, if you come down, once the amount is successful, this part, as you can see in the payment ID, I'm passing S. I don't know why I'm passing S, which is, I don't know, some random class, c.class. But what we want to pass is from payment intent, we can get the detail. So payment intent dot get payment method ID, or you can give anything here. Actually, you can check all the detail in the log for payment, and then whatever you need, you can just fetch it and store it. Right now I'm just storing payment method ID in the payment ID for temporarily. You can get every detail from there. Alright, and for this checkout.activity Java, yeah, this is not a problem. You can also write get application context also. Alright, so I'm just gonna check whether it's working properly or not. Our app is running. So this time I will buy something. So let me see what I can buy. I'll buy this main t-shirt which costs $23. So let me click on the buy, and if I click on the address, continue to payment and pay with Stripe. Alright, then the card detail I will enter. Alright, so I'll type CV number and some postal code. Alright, then I'm going to click on pay. As you can see, order successful, and it will go to home page. Now if you check over this transaction, $23, right? So we should get 23 in this transaction. As you can see, amount is $23 and 0.97 fee, and all this description and all, you can get it from here. Alright guys, I think that's all for Stripe. There are still a lot of work we can do. I mean, we can improve, especially UI and this payment return type. You can check it by yourself. I think it's pretty simple and straightforward, as long as it is working, the basic part. So that's all guys. I hope you like this course and this Stripe as well. And if you face any doubt, or if you have any difficulty implementing some feature or anything like that, just let me know. I am free to help you. Thank you guys.